taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. You're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad addict. Bad habits, hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I could do it on my own, but I want that real full moon black magic, and it takes two.